Police car. It helps to keep order and makes sure no one breaks any rules. Look at this mess. Let's put a vehicle together. Wheels, wheels, steering wheel, trunk door, white seats, radiator vent and bumper, doors, right beacon light, left beacon light, white roof, beacon lights. Yes, you got it. Let's gas up the car. Now press the pump to fill up the tank with fuel. Yes, you got it. Let's go! Prize!